my darling Fumi Nation, how are you? Ula, are you okay? Maybe not.
Laughing.
Yes, I am. Are you okay?
Yes.
Okay, good. He's just, getting everything together like he usually does. Honey bunny. How are you, my darlings? How are you? The sun is just coming into the entire office. And when I tell you I'm feeling all of the love and the positivity from you guys, do we love the beat? Do we love the blush? Do we love the earrings? I was all about feeling spring today. Yeah. So I said to myself, Fumi, we gotta have that lovely, yummy blush that just kind of bleeds into the eye. And that's exactly what I did. Juvia's Place, my discount code is what? F-U-M-I. And I took this shade right here and I just went on and on with it right up onto the temples, onto the cheeks, and then right onto the eyelid. As you can see, I brought it all the way in and just warmed it up. It gave me that kind of rose petally feeling. And then I went in with Olori and this gorgeous peachy orange right here. I just put that on the inside. And there you have it, a nude lip, and you're good to go. So my darling Fumi Nation, you must be saying to yourselves, so what are we doing? We are here for not a sister to sister, no, sometime this week maybe, but we are here for bra hack number 10. Bra hack number 10. You'll be asking me, Fumi, I love this blouse. A lot of you have complimented me, and thank you very much. This is Lanvin. Remember, Lanvin collaborated with H&M, and they came out with these lovely, unique pieces. I try to buy a lot of the runway fashion, voguish collaborations with H&M because the designers do throw in one or two pieces up in there. So this was there, and I love it. I also love the earrings, which were a gift from Christina. As you can see that they're different. You understand me? This is more up like this, while the other one is lower. I live for it. I just thought, in the bloom, baby. So we're here with bra hack number 10, and you're saying to me, exactly what could you show us this time? I love sheer. I love the glamour of it. As a Nigerian, half Nigerian, I cannot tell you how many weddings, events, and parties I've gone to, because for those events, a lot of our traditional women, we wear lace. So you can always see, or there's a thin lining underneath, or there's a full slip. It's never really fluid for me. I want it to be gorgeous, fluid, backless, to really give celebration to the blouse, to the dress, to the artistry, to the lace. And I was never, ever able to do it. Somebody's calling me. What do they want? They gotta wait. Up until Push-Up Tape came to me and said, Fumi, let us collaborate. And I said, I know exactly what I want. I want to have, oh, I can open this one. I want to have the kind of tape that nobody sees. I want it matte, and I want it fabulous. Because I want to be able to remove the bra. Love the bra. I'm just not crazy about it showing on my sheerness. I want it to be fluid. Hence the tip. We're at the end of this one now, and I just wanted you guys to see what it is like. I love this tape. I wear it all the time for a lot of my outfits because it works. It's super strong, super strong. So for that heavy bust, that big bust, and you're like, oh my God, yes, this works. It is water resistant. It is sweat proof. It is super duper strong. Super duper strong. This is the tail end of it. So we have like a steam when it gets cold, and then you see how it clears up when it gets warm. That's what it does. I am going to put this here because we're going to use it in a hot minute. And this, my darlings, you can get where? At Push Up Tape. Go to the website. The tapes are there and you will see the clear tape that it's a necessity. It is a necessity. It feels like skin. I did it in the last episode, bra hack number 9, prior for you guys. And I wanted to give you bra hack number 10, where there is no bra. It's just the tape. And this, my darling, supersedes all other tapes. Yeah, I can say it. Because as you know, I love to have the bra and the tape. But we designed a tape that is fantastic in strength, in durability, sweat proof, waterproof, and doesn't pull, yank your skin. It's clear, so we got to be careful because this is YouTube. But before I continue and switch out of this blue bra that just doesn't give me life, and I love the bra, it's just not working for my sheerness right now. Push-up tape also has chocolate nipple covers. I love. So you can put these onto your nipples and then you put the tape on. I'm going to tell you another trick. Take a body buffer, take your foundation and buff over the tape. Let me turn around and show you the look. Let me take my tape because we're gonna need it. I'm gonna take this off. Voila. Da-da. Put the body buffer down first. Yeah. And take off the bra. Woohoo! And there it goes. And then we put the top back on. And let me zip up so that I am decent somewhat. And it is absolutely, my darlings, it is absolutely clear. Completely sheer. Do we love? And it is backless. And that's what's gorgeous about the clear tape. It just mimics you. And again, like I said, you can use your body brush and you can go lightly over your foundation just to match up and make sure that everything is seamless. For those big busted girls, my tape is it. There is no other tape that is this fabulous and strong for big busted girls. This is without the bra. Without the bra, my darlings. That seamless, gorgeous finish. This is how I wear all of my sheer tops. It works. And it stays on until you take it off. You get no irritation. It doesn't pull the skin. It lifts your boob up nice. And I'm an F. I'm an F. Just look at it. Is this not fabulous? I live. I love. Yes. I am most proud of this tape. It was what I was looking for and I just couldn't find. 110%. And it's the matte finish of it. Completely unique unto itself. So go ahead, my darlings. Spoil yourselves. This is limited edition. It's not going to come back. Once it's done, it's done. I hope you enjoyed the episode, my darlings. Do not forget to like, to subscribe, and hit the notification button right there. Leave all of your comments, queries, and questions in the comment section. And I will see you guys very, 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 very soon. All of my love.